Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to rename your earbuds REALME Buds T200 Lite on your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And I have stock Android, so right here, near to the name, I have this pencil icon. On some devices, this icon located at the right top, and also some devices have aligned with the name. So I'm going to click at this icon. You may need to click at the icon or the line, depend what you have. And right here you can write the best one for you. You can remove some text, but I want to only add this one. The most important is to click Rename to save this new name. On your phone it may be done or key, check mark or something else. Tap at that button and as you can see we just change it, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!